Good morning from a sunny Toronto, actually Thornhill, Ontario, which is a suburb just north of Toronto. Before I begin, just a special call out to Dara O'Doherty, a Google employee in San Francisco who I was informed this morning is one of my top viewers on YouTube. I actually was told from a reliable source that he actually likes my videos. Hey, that's great. Well done, Dara. For my Instagram followers, I posted a photograph yesterday of a lost parrot sign. On my daily walk, I came across this lost parrot sign with a phone number. And there's a $500 cash reward if you find the parrot. So it's the intent of this video to do a live phone call right now to the posted number and inquire about the status of the parrot. Is the parrot still lost? Has it been found? And was the reward money granted? Never done this before, so this is the first time. I'll put the phone on speakerphone so you can hear all these sordid details. Here we go.
The number you have dialed is not a long-distance call. Do not dial the digit 1 or the number you are calling.
Oops, mistake with the phone. We'll try again. These Toronto phones.
We're sorry, your call did not go through. Will you please hang up and try your call again?
No luck with that posted phone number. We'll try it again.
We're sorry, your call did not go through. Will you please hang up and try your call again? This is a recording. We're sorry, your call did not go through. Will you please hang up and try your call again? This is a recording.
Anyway, I had my suspicions about this lost parrot sign, in particular the phone number and the reward of $500. I'll try again later on. Keep you posted. Once again, I hope Dara and his buddies having a good time watching my videos on YouTube. Special call out once again to my third years, especially that third year class with a few characters. Who's in that class? Gilday, McDonough, etc. Exams coming up, start doing some work. Till we meet again, goodbye from Thornhill. Bye-bye.